Hi, my name's Peter, and today I'm going to be showing you how Quantamize.com subscribers can navigate and best take advantage of our daily Quantshot highlights. Here at Quantamize, we rank more than 10,000 global stocks using our deep learning multi-factor AI quantitative stock models. Quantshots are daily highlights of the best actionable trading ideas that are top buys and top shorts in our multi-factor AI quant models. Daily Quantshots are accompanied with a detailed research report that contains high-level, fundamental, and technical analysis while providing investors with sentiment and technical charting tools. Altogether, Quantshots are an incredible tool to help Quantamize.com subscribers best make their investment decisions. Now, let's get to Quantshot navigation. Upon logging into Quantamize.com, subscribers will be taken to the Quantamize subscriber dashboard. Here, Quantamize.com subscribers can take advantage of Quantshots in a few different ways. On the left side of the screen, under the Stocks drop-down menu, subscribers can click the Stock Research Reports section to be taken to Quantshots, or on the dashboard, they can click Stock Research Reports to be taken to Quantshots broken down by 9 sectors or 3 different geographies. Let's say, for instance, you're interested in seeing the most recent Quantshots for U.S. stocks. You can click on Domestic U.S. under Quantshots by Geography to see a chronological breakdown of our most recent Quantshots that feature information like company name, whether it's a top buy or top short, and the model that it's ranked in. To view the accompanying research report with the Quantshot, click on Read More. Here, we provide information like a company description, a breakdown of model rankings, fundamental research highlights, company financials, relevant sentiment data, and technical charting capabilities. Quantamize.com subscribers can further take advantage of Quantshots by clicking back to the subscriber dashboard by clicking the Overview tab on the left side of the page. If you then scroll down and click over to the Top Stock Ideas of the Day window, Quantamize.com subscribers can see where we highlight daily top buys and top shorts. These top buys and top shorts can be Quantshots we published today, Quantshots we published earlier in the month, pretty much just stocks that we think our subscribers should be paying close attention to in the day's trading. Finally, if a Quantamize.com subscriber is interested in a specific stock, they can click under the Stocks drop-down menu and click on the Stock and ETF Rankings tab. Here, Quantamize.com subscribers can search any stock they're interested in. Once on the stock-specific page, they can add that stock to their watch list. Click back under the Stock drop-down menu and click My Watch List to see all the stocks that you have added to your watch list in the past. Once added, you will be notified anytime Quantamize.com posts a Quantshot or any other piece of relevant information pertaining to that specific stock. Overall, Quantshots are a powerful tool that Quantamize.com subscribers can use to enhance the overall quality of their portfolio and to assist with trade idea generation. For all of your stock, options, ETF, and cryptocurrency research needs, please don't forget to check out Quantamize.com. Thank you.